Good morning guys, it's Jasmin, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a vlog. Not really sure what I'm going to title it, but basically I'm going to take you guys through my day. I am going to San Francisco today with my friend, and we're basically going to be going on a photo shoot. I already did my makeup and fixed my hair and my outfit. I'll insert pictures though, but I'm not going to show my outfit right now because I'm in a rush and I have to go. I'm doing 3 outfits today and I forgot my jacket. I'm taking my bear. I used the James Charles palette, so I used a lot of the pinks and the oranges.
Nothing seems the same, always on the go now.
Hi guys.
Never seem to slow down.
Hi guys. So we are in SF now, but we're heading to Straw now. It's a breakfast place, and I think we're like blocks away. Their food looked really good on Yelp. So this is Eddie. Oh shit. Bro, that scared me. He's the one that takes my most of my Instagram pictures.
Trying to get better.
There's a lady looking at us.
It's okay.
And
she's enjoying the view.
Yeah.
You've been playing games. You don't pick up the phone now. You know I'm never home now. Tell me when am I
Spider-Man
gonna
one.
see
This is hella cute. Oh my god.
'Cause I've been missing your body right beside me. Tell me when am I gonna see?
This is the food. It looks so freaking good. What did you get?
Benedict.
Benedict. And then I got this waffle thing with bacon, which I'm excited for, eggs, the ketchup, and the 2 little hash browns. So it's been a couple of minutes, not really, like how many minutes? 15, and I'm decided to be a good friend and share my food with him. Even though he's already full, and I offered to share half of my hash brown. Do you want some?
Okay.
Like the food is really good. And I just realized this is, you said mashed potatoes, and they just fried it.
She's so conceited looking at herself.
Like this, all I wanna do, all I wanna do, all I wanna do.
Yeah, we don't have any more for dessert.
Thank you. She's like, what is this girl doing? Every time she comes, I'm over here applying syrup on your thing. So we just finished up at breakfast, and I didn't really explain what we're doing today, but oh my
She
gosh.
didn't even eat anything. I ate like 90% of her food.
Not 90, like 30, maybe 20.
It was more like 80.
So basically for today, I'm going to just be filming what we do to take pictures, which I post on Instagram. So that's kind of like what's going on today. And I'm being brave today because I'm vlogging in public, which I've never done before. I mean, I've done before, but not like at this extent with all of these vehicles watching. And there's no pedestrians. Oh, there's one over there. But yeah, we're going to the Painted Ladies right now, which I've never been, but I have seen the show Full House, so like I'm excited for that. Why are you laughing?
Be right there for you. Be right there with you. All I wanna
Like 3 blocks away.
So we've been walking for 5 hours now.
Okay. She's complaining. 3 blocks.
And I didn't realize you're gonna go uphill. Like obviously there's a bunch of uphills here, but like
You can't see it.
there you go. But we still have some way to go, and I'm like really tired. Whose idea was it to come to the Painted Ladies?
Yours?
No, I think it was yours actually. I chose the breakfast place and he chose the closest location to the breakfast place. What would you rate it? 1 out of 10.
Service? 9. Cause
Service was really good because he literally like laps behind and the lady jumped right behind him. She's like, do you have a question?
Yes, you need anything? I'm like, yes I do actually. That was a good 9.
Yeah. Oh my gosh,
A bit
look at
too
all the
fast.
Victorians. I really want to live in a Victorian.
With the ghost?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With my boyfriend the ghost, because that's the only boyfriend I'll ever have.
Anyway.
Yeah, I think the service was pretty darn good, and the little menus were really cute. The food was good. Like I would give it like a 9 also probably for the price.
Yeah, for the price it was a good 9.
Okay, now you guys can see the freaking, I mean kinda, you can see the hill. It looks worse in person. Tourist me.
It's not even that bad.
Now Eddie wants to take a break.
Sorry.
We have to walk all of that, and we're all the way over. Zooming out looks worse. We're all the way over here.
You're exaggerating. It's like a block.
Let's get started. It's a long block.
It's a very steep walk.
Yes. So I think the ladies are over there. Why isn't it called the Painted Men?
What?
Why are there no painted men?
Men have no inner beauty.
Oh my gosh, that's so funny. It's true though. Okay, so I'm kind of confused because there's ghost houses there, but probably there's some over there too. And he's walking away from me. He said the view over there was really nice, and I said thank you. He's gonna come back. They always come back.
All I wanna do is be right there for you. Be right there with you. All I wanna do, all I wanna do.
So we just realized that the first location we were at were the Painted Ladies. Because these are something else. Like,
Bit of a disappointment though.
yeah, they're gonna be better. I don't know. We have to find another location to take pictures. We finished whatever was left of this. Thank you, sir. Ready for my tea.
The background's really nice though.
Oh, it is.
Yeah. Ooh. Approach me, dog.
Hi, doggy. Oh no, they're leaving us. It's expected. Everything I love leaves.
So sad.
Take this. All I wanna do, all I wanna do, all I wanna do is be right there for you. Be right.
Bro, hurry up.
Sorry, I need to sneeze.
Sneeze later.
Okay. Your hands on the table like that, but don't look at me.
Look somewhere
at the
else?
other side.
Look at my invisible boyfriend.
So now, yes, at invisible boyfriend.
Okay,
Look like you're looking at him.
Should I
The other
kiss him?
side. Throw a kiss at him.
Right there with you. All I wanna do.
You look so sad.
I am sad.
Oh.
I'm looking at my invisible boyfriend. What do you expect?
Happiness. Oh my god.
¿Qué pasó, mijo? Did I make an ugly face? Oh, that one's cute. Oh, that one's hella cute.
Which one?
Ooh, who's that?
Which one?
All of them! I don't understand why I don't have a boyfriend. That's before they've been photoshopped.
I don't even Photoshop you. I just work on the lighting. Like literally, I never Photoshop you.
Really?
Yeah, like
naturally beautiful.
This bitch.
I forgot.
This is how she is every day.
Okay, so we are done with this location. I might include some of the conversations we had. Currently trying to find another location. We don't really know where to go. The Painted Ladies weren't much of a success. I think they were good, huh?
They were pretty good.
We are in
Hold on, I look fuzzy.
Hayes Street right now. And we ordered an Uber, or he did. And we're where are we heading to?
The Palace of Fine Arts in San Francisco, California, 94118.
Okay, do you want to go? I
I don't know the zip code.
I haven't been there, so I'm not really sure
Ooh, you're gonna love it.
what there is. So we were gonna go to Hyde Street, like look at the thrift stores, but like that's not really on our schedule today. Oh, and I'm gonna change too.
Be right next to you. All I wanna do.
So we are in the second location, I'm assuming, right? This is the second.
It's the second.
Oh, look at that. They're getting married? I've never been here. It's so pretty. There's like a waterfall and all these thingies right here.
Thingy.
The architecture is very cute. I don't know where we're gonna go now. Somewhere.
Somewhere.
There's a lot of people back there taking pictures. And like a wedding thing going on over there. Can you guys see it right there? And yeah, I think it's really cool. It's getting kind of cold now, honestly. It was like hot earlier.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
You killed my joke.
All I wanna do. All I wanna do, I wanna be there for you. I wanna be there with you.
So we are still at the, I keep forgetting what this place is called, but I changed outfits for the 3rd time. We're gonna play Jenga now.
All I wanna do, all I wanna do, all I wanna do is be right there.
You can't do that, that's cheating. That was loud. I win.
No, you did. That was cheating.
There for you, be right next to you. I know it's hard to make the time. You know you're always on my mind. I'm working, you're hurting, and it kills me inside.
So we're done.
Hey, miss me like I miss you. Trust is not an issue. Just pick up your phone now, 'cause I'm on the way back for you. So tell me when am I gonna see you?
So we just did a tree segment over here with the leaves.
It's a little tree.
'Cause I've been missing your body right beside.
We are now going to our 3rd-ish location.
But first the wave organ, and we might go to the Fort Mason afterwards if you have energy.
Yeah, and I've never been there. I've never been to this area in general, so that's how close it is. But the pictures are looking really cute. I really like the one that we did with the tree. Even though we only did like 2 of those.
Hey, tell me when am I gonna see you? You've been driving me crazy. I can't take this.
We finished taking pictures here now. You can see the bridge over right there. My mouth is hurting. Still from my wisdom teeth, so I think we're gonna go now. There's a bunch of cute little doggies over there. Yeah, I think we're gonna go get ice cream now, and then we're gonna skedaddle out of here. Oh, you're just your eyeball. I think I'm gonna end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Comment down below if you want to do more videos like this. Oh shit, that scared me. See you guys in the next video. Toodles.